There's some breaking news coming in. India Today accesses details of Ria's bail order. Bombay High Court has said, and I quote, Souvik appears to be an important link in the chain of drug dealers. He was in touch with different dealers there. He had monetary transactions with them. Disclosure by each of them has led to discovery of involvement of others. Hence, it is not desirable to release Souvik on bail at this stage. Thus, he is part of chain of drug dealers. At this stage, the investigating agency has sufficient material to show that he is a part of a chain of drug dealers engaged in illicit traffic of drugs. This is the court's verdict. In fact, Vidya joining us live for more details. Vidya, India Today accesses the details of Ria's bail order. The Bombay High Court has said, and I quote, while Ria Chakravarti gets bail, Souvik appears to be quite an important link in the chain of drug dealers. He seems to be integral, dealing with several of those dealers, and if he is out, then it will mean that he could influence investigation. More or less on those lines that the court has said that he's part of a chain of drug dealers. Take us through the seriousness of this allegation. Of course, the court raising this issue and saying that Souvik cannot be granted bail because he is integral to the investigation there.
Well, all this has been really said in Souvik's bail order by Justice Kotwal, Justice Sarang Kotwal, while he came to the conclusion that, Souvik was very much involved in this case for the simple fact that, one, he was involved with not just one drug peddler, but he was in conversation, financial transactions with multiple drug dealers. Apart from that, he was interacting with Anuj. Remember, Anuj is a person who is a alleged drug dealer, and according to the NCB, had been found with a huge quantity of contraband, not just a small quantity as is being alleged by that was that was being consumed by Sushant Singh Rajput for that matter. So the entire case of the NCB actually hinges around Souvik for the simple fact that he was in direct contact with the drug dealers, and some of them, like Anuj, had whole lot of them that possession of contraband. Even after being arrested at that point when there were raids being conducted at Anuj's residence and office, other places, he was found with huge quantity, which is the reason why the court could not grant him bail at this juncture while the court had granted bail to Ria, because the court said that there is a large part of the fact that he is part of the entire nexus. It does seem like so at this juncture the court felt that it would not be right to set him free like Ria is being free, because of the simple fact that she did not interact directly with the drug peddlers, and Ria was not really taking it for herself or passing it to anyone else for commercial gains. She was only giving it to Sushant Singh Rajput. So these are the couple of things that the court has noted while granting bail to Ria and rejecting the bail to her brother Souvik.
From what we understand here is all the evidence that the NCB has found and submitted before court is all electronic evidence. It's all message-based, call-based. Of course, Souvik also, we understand to a large extent, has committed to coordinating or conversing with one or two drug peddlers as well. But the NCB hasn't really found any drugs, narcotic substances on Souvik. While they raided him and his house, they didn't find any substantial material at all. So, are these grounds really enough for the court to keep him prolonged period without granting him bail, while a few other drug peddlers, we understand, have already got bail and are out?
The drug peddlers who actually got the bail had very less quantity. They did not have large quantity, the commercial quantity, what it is called as, and which is the reason why the court could grant those drug peddlers as well, the alleged drug peddlers,
the NCB
as well as
huge
others connected
Souvik?
with them at the bail. Souvik, they did not find, but he was in direct touch with Anuj. Remember, Anuj is a alleged big drug dealer in this entire case. From Anuj, the entire NCB had found huge commercial quantity of drugs, which is the reason why this direct link with Anuj is the one which gives Souvik, does not give Souvik the bail, which is the reason why at this juncture the court really felt that because Anuj did have that entire commercial quantity with him, it would not be right to actually, you know, take out this entire link, because remember, NCB is not just talking about commercial quantity, it is also talking about the fact that Shouvik is a big link between these people, the drug dealers, and even though he was supplying it to Sushant Singh Rajput, but because he was in touch with them, and there's a link between the others as well, which is the reason why the court felt that it would not be right at this point to give him bail. The court did not want to comment too much on this case because that would reflect on the near future part of the case as well. But because of the sheer fact that there is commercial quantity found with Anuj, and that Shouvik was in direct link with Anuj, is what
between the drug dealers and those consuming it.
Shouvik to Gellert.
Vidya, thank you very much for joining us with those details.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.